Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off notifications on your iPhone or iPad. Very easy to do. So all you have to do is head over to your settings. And then once you're in settings, you want to scroll down and click on notifications. And then basically here, you're going to see up all of your apps that you have on your phone and whether or not you have notifications turned on for them. So now if you want to control the previews, you can change it up at the top to change your previews if you want them to show when it's unlocked or never or always. And then if you want to change the notifications for a certain application, you just want to scroll down this list and find the application that you want to change. So let's just say I wanted to change Gmail. I would click on Gmail, and then at the top, I can totally disable the notifications if I would like to, or I can customize them and change the alerts to just banners or just the lock screen. And then as well, you can customize the sounds and badges for the applications as well. Now, one thing to point out, if you just want to temporarily disable all your notifications, all you have to do is put on Do Not Disturb mode. And to do that, all you have to do is drag down or drag up for your control panel, and then just click on this little moon, and then that will temporarily disable all your notifications, and then you just go ahead and turn that off when you're done. Anyhow, I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to turn off your notifications on your iPhones. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.